Imagine making a full-on human video without ever picking up your phone or setting up a camera. Well, now you can. Let me introduce you to HumanPal 2.0, the text-to-video AI that's like your own instant video crew. Here's the deal, you just type your message, pick a digital presenter, and the AI does the rest. I'm talking about walking, talking, moving AI humans that lip-sync your script, nail the voice, and bring your words to life, all in minutes. Seriously, whether you're making sales videos, product demos, explainer videos, or just want a killer social media post, this changes the game. It's as easy as writing a sentence. Your video is ready to download, share, even sell right away. Let's talk about what you get. You can choose from over 60 professional AI presenters, different looks, industries, ages, and vibes. These aren't just static avatars. They walk, gesture, and express emotion, so your videos actually feel alive. Want more energy, more personality? You've got it. And you're not stuck with just English. HumanPal comes with a massive library of over 800 lifelike voices, covering more than 40 languages and all the accents you can imagine. You type it, the AI says it, perfectly lip-synced. So if your audience is global, you can speak to everyone. No awkward dubs or subtitles needed. But here's something wild: face swap and personalization. If you want to be front and center, or your client does, you can swap the AI presenter's face with your own or anyone else's. It's safe, with an 80% face match cap to prevent any deepfake misuse. Plus, there's a built-in advanced video editor. Add subtitles, translate instantly, tweak your visuals. Want to turn a voice memo or a written script into a video? Done, just a couple of clicks. Choose your template: sales, training, onboarding, you name it. And yes, you can make videos in any format you want: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, websites, wherever your audience hangs out. Oh, and you want unique faces for your videos? There's an AI human face generator built in. No copyright headaches, no stock photo worries. Here's the best part: unlimited renders, no watermarks, and no monthly fees. You pay once, and you can make as many videos as you want forever. So here's how fast it is. Step 1. Pick your AI actor. Step 2. Paste your script and pick your voice. Step 3. Generate your video. That's it. If you want to create pro-level human videos without ever filming yourself, check out HumanPal. Hit the link below for instant access and start making your first AI human video today.